Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about what is a class. After completion of this one, we will write the first Java program and the procedure for writing and executing the Java program. First of all, what is a class? Class is simply a blueprint, or class is a logical structure. The name specify class does not exist physically. This is a logical structure used to generate objects. Used to generate objects. For example, student. Student is the class. Actually, in the real life, student is not existed. For example, this particular person, if he is studying something, then we call them as a student. For example, right now you are learning Java, you are the student. Okay, objects are real world things. Anyway, we will discuss object later. First, class is a blueprint. Now, a class consists of different programming components. What are those? A class consists of variables, it consists of methods, it consists of blocks, a class consists of constructor, and a class consists of one more class, inner class or interface. That means within a class, you can write any type of programming component. But remember, main is the most important thing. Why? Every Java program, the execution starts from main. Remember, within the class, you are writing one method main. Your Java program starts its execution from this main method only. What is the syntax? The syntax is public static void main of string args of. This is the syntax of main method. Whenever we are moving on to the sessions, you will learn one by one, no problem. But right now, I will give you a brief idea. Void specify return type. So this is the name of the method. The method does not return anything. Static, those static programming components, the memory is allocated inside the class area. Static specifies the memory is allocated inside the class area. Now, public is an access specifier. That means this method main is used throughout the program. Now, what is a string? String is a class. It is a predefined class. These are the array for this predefined class. Right now, you know only the terms. Whenever we are moving on, you understand why we are using these terms also. Clear? This is the definition of a class. What is the syntax? Every class begins with the keyword class. Begin with the keyword class, followed by class name. So here you can give any name to the class. Here you can give any name to the class. Within the class, you can write the variables. Within the class, you can write the methods. You can write the blocks, constructors, and you need to write the main method also, and then close. Now one class is completed. Clear? One class is completed. What is the main naming convention? Remember, the class name begin with. The class name begin with uppercase. Compulsory, the class name begin with uppercase. Okay. Now, I will write down one simple program. Just my program is printing some welcome message. Printing some welcome message. How? See this one? Class. Give name of the class. For example, my class name is sample. Now, within this one, main. Compulsory, your class consists of main method. Public, static, void, main, string, args of. Remember here string is a predefined class. Generally classes are categorized into two types. One is predefined. Second one is user defined. Predefined means the classes that are already defined by the Java developer. What is an example? Like right now, string is an example. Suppose system is another predefined class. What is user defined? The classes that are defined by the user. In my example, sample is an user defined. Okay. Now, main, again open the bracket. Everything is right inside the main. Here just I am printing. For printing, we are using system dot out dot println. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of system dot out dot println? I will explain. Within quotation, write down the string semicolon. The lines end with semicolon. This is the closing of main and this is the closing of class. Closing of main and closing of class. Remember in this system, what is mean by system? System is a class that is available in lang package. Right now you don't know, just understand. System is a predefined class. System is a predefined class. What is out? Simply out is an instance of one class, that is print stream. Out is an instance of print stream and out is a static and public. It is the field of system class. That is the system class consists of one field out. Println. So println is also an instance of print stream which is used to print some statement. Which is used to print some statement. Okay. Anyway, whenever we move on, you will get the complete idea. Not a problem. Right now, you know what is a class and what is a program. That is how do we write a sample Java program. Next, we will move to the procedure for writing, saving, compiling, and executing a Java program. Okay, how to write a Java program. Step by step. What is step one? So, to save all the programs at a particular place, first what I am doing is I am creating a new folder. I am creating a new folder at any location. Okay, suppose see step by step. Go to one particular drive. Suppose D drive. Within the D drive, new folder. So I am given my folder name as Java programs. I given my folder name as Java. Already the same name is existed. Java programs 99. For example, assume this one. This is my folder where I am saving the file. Next step is open Notepad. First, I will explain the programs by using Notepad. After that, I will move to Eclipse. So, open Notepad and then type the program and then type the program. Simply open Notepad. Type the program, same program class, S capital letter sample, public, static, void, main, string, args of system is a predefined class. Every class starts with uppercase. System dot out dot println some message welcome, some message welcome semicolon, close the main method, close bracket. Now my program writing is completed. Next writing is completed. What is the next one? You need to save the program. How to save the program? You are saving the program as generally class name. Whatever the name you are using for the class, you need to save the program with that class name only. Class dot java dot java specifies this is a Java program. So file, save. So here I am selecting the folder Java programs 99. Here save the program. What is my class name? Sample, given as sample.java. Press save. Okay, now my program is saved successfully. What is the next step? The next step is compile the program. So two stages are there. One is compilation, second one is execution. So for compilation, we are using the command javac space class name dot Java. Class name in the sense, obviously, program name is also same. Java C space class name in Java dot Java. For example, Java C space sample dot Java. Sample dot Java. After that, execution. For execution, Java space class name. Here, Java space sample. Now the thing is where we are performing this compilation and execution. To perform this one, you need to open the command prompt and then go to the corresponding location. Go to the corresponding location. See this one? Here just to type CMD to open the command prompt. To open the command prompt. Now, in which location I am saving my file? In D drive. So, go to the path where you saved the file. Go to D drive. Within this one, the folder name. So, CD means change directory Java programs 99. This is the folder. Okay, in this folder, my Java program is saved. If you have any doubt, go to the folder. See this one? Here my Java file is available now. First step, compilation, Java C sample.java. Once we do the compilation, if we have no errors, means the dot class file is generated. Press enter. See this one? Again, it gives the same screen in the sense there is no error in your program. Immediately, the dot class file is generated. See this one? Within the same folder, sample dot class file. If the dot class file is generated, means there is no error in our program. Next stage is execution. Java space sample. Press enter. Now see the output. You are getting the output. Welcome. This is the way to write a Java program. Okay. In the next session, I will discuss one more program, how to write a Java program. That's the end of today's session.